Audi A6 2014 2-liter diesel. I'm going to replace a thermostat housing. This is thermostat inside. We bought from Audi. It's cost £108 including discount. And where is the part number actually? There is a part number here. This one is part number. So if you want to buy it online, this is how it comes. So I'm going to replace it. This car got AdBlue as well. Well, I decide to just open this one and change the thermostat only because it's gonna take too much time. You have to take this manifold off, or of course you need to take the alternator off, oil filter housing, everything what's in here, and it's not easy, and I don't have a gasket for oil filter housing, so it's not easy as I thought. But I'm going to take the thermostat out. I made enough space, and then I put a new one. Yeah, definitely there is not enough space, so you have to take the manifold off if you don't want to take this, which is better if you take this alternator, that intake manifold, and then all the pipes, everything's, and then you can take this one out. So there is not enough space, but I don't know about the oil filter housing, but you better not do it. Just take this one off, it's more space, and then you can do it. But I'm going to tell the customer just putting thermostat. So this is the new one, this is old one, and of course I put all together. There was not enough space. I opened this 4 screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is number 13 there. I opened this one as well. It doesn't showing on camera, number 13, and I opened this screw to just have space, because one of the screw for the thermostat, there is no space to put it back, so you have to unscrew this.